Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training, and we're continuing on with this industrial project precast building that we're working on. So you've seen we put some elements in it. So now we're going to go and focus on our foundation since we've got everything else done here. So I'm going to go to our structural drawings here, and I'm going to open this top of footing drawing. So this is going to be our foundation plan. We started, but we're going to make this our foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this view. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers, everybody. And start from the beginning of this series. It takes you through a whole building project. So here we have our structural foundation. We got a wall here, so I'm going to go here now and look at our annotations. So we're going to start annotating this guy. So I'm going to go to annotate, and I'm going to go to tag by category. And here we've got 12 by 6 by, or 72 by 72 by 12 footing. It's pretty typical here. We're going to place another one here, like so. Sometimes you can put these right on the element, but I'm going to just use these for now because we got space in the drawing file. What's going on here? Okay. So these are our rectangular foundation footings. So go back into my annotate here and just place these. Okay. And here we've got another one here. So now, next we want to look at we want to tag as much stuff as we possibly can. So here, also I'm going to see what we got here. We've got our okay, I'm going to leave that for the embedment plan. We just want to show the foundation footings in this drawing. So here I want to show these walls. Now we've got these a type mark on these walls. Where did it go? Okay. And this wall is a FO2. And I'll place one here. That entire wall is a FO2. And I'll show you, okay, there's our bearing footing now. We go to FO2 here, and then we'll go here, and then we'll do our bearing footing. We can probably place it right here. I might drag it out here or something, or you can move it like so. That's something I might have displaced on the drawing. And we got so the thing about it is with these tags, I would use them much as possible, but they're fairly accurate. There's a bearing footing there, and there. Okay, so this is our foundation plan. Next, we want to look at, and we want to rename this, of course. So I'm going to go in here and rename this. Should have did that first, sorry. It's going to be our foundation plan. Okay. There. Now we normally wouldn't have dimensions here. So next, this is basically all we want in this drawing here. and then I might want to cut a section here, do a section through there. So that's basically what's happening in that view all the way up. We got some issues here, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Just going to focus on the foundation. Now, next drawing we want to do in precast, you need to have a embedment plan to show your plates to connect the wall panels here. See here, we've got wall panels here, and we got them reinforced, so we need to show how they're connected from the bottom. So that's what's going to happen in this next drawing, which is going to be our embedment plan here. So here I'm going to go to this structural level 1 here drawing, and I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to duplicate it, I'm sorry. Anyway, by the way, y'all, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers. So now we're going to rename this embedment plan. Now the embedment plan shows your plates and connections to your wall panels. Okay, so here in this case we've got a couple of them here I created, and these got to connect to the foundation. So if I drop a section through here, you can see this. Let's pull that back right to there. Actually, let's move this here. If I open that section, there's our embedment. It's just a connection piece that connects the foundation wall to the wall panel. So I'm going to go back, and that's what the embedment plan is basically used for. Most firms do it this way. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to open this family up. Get to edit family, and this is just a plate, and you got a shim in there and another plate. The shim welds to that, and this goes into the wall panel. This into the basement. I'm sorry, the foundation wall shim and wall panel. So if I rotate this around, you can get a better look at this. There you go. There's a piece of rebar, a plate here, and this is a field connection. They call it field connections, and they're pretty much standard to projects. Let's say that. And here, these are going to be strategically placed at the bottom of the wall panel. So these gaps here are basically where the wall panel ends. So I'm going to place a few of these, not too many, because it'll take too much time, and I can do that later and come back. One will go there, there. So these spaces are pretty much gaps, and I need to probably dimension these out. I will. They will have to be dimensioned because they are very strategically placed because of the wall panels, depending on the wall panel size. So what we'll do is we'll do a so here what we can do now in this view, we're in our embedment plan, yes. So we can do what we call elevations here, but I'm not going to worry about that yet. And then here we can do some more tags. We can go here and you can go architect, annotate here, tag by category. Then we have here, we've got our, okay, I don't have a tag order for that, but I do have one loaded for the column. Okay, that's the steel plate. And then we got a HSS columns. So there. there. To there. You can even show the well, so you can get very detailed there about what you're looking at and what you want to see here. And down here, I'm going to place some dimensions here, just so they can get the column layout and everything for this. And I'm going to probably come back to this because there's a lot that goes into the actual connection of the wall panels into these plates. So I'm going to do these dimensions here. This is going to be our embedment plan. Change the scale. Here. Now here, other dimensions we'll pick up on our architectural drawing. Now here I want to show you something here we might be going to see in this drawing here. We're going to look at our framing elevation here. So I'm going to go into my structure. Oh, sorry. Go into my structure. Where is it? View. Elevation. I want to go to framing, and let's just take a look at what's going on with. Let's start right here with this wall. Well, let's take this one since we got some. Let's go right here with this one. Now let's open this guy up. Now, we picked up the whole wall. We didn't really need to, but we just wanted to see one. So this is what's happening in this framing elevation. I'll go back to my embedment plan here. So we're going to probably just pick up a portion of that, but that's how that works. So we can see that elevation, but I'm going to go ahead and finish placing these embedments, and these has to be dimensioned as well. Very important. Normally, let's see if I can tab to that. Annotate. And you go from there to there. Be 2.6. So I think this is depending on the panel size. So I'm going to finish that for you guys. And this is basically how you would lay out your embedment plan. So we've got to go all the way through here and place our embeds. I'm going to do that and come back in another video after this is all done, and we'll go ahead and show you how they do the elevations, because the elevations are a little differently. You have to show the plates and the, go here to here. So hey guys, I'm going to leave it there, and we're going to continue on with this. But this is my embedment plan. Basically shows the embeds that connect the wall panels and the column plate embedment, and we've got our sanitary sewer system there. We can show it just for reference if you like, but normally you wouldn't see that on this drawing. But anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, this is going to be our, let me just close. is it? You. Oh, closing active. This is going to be our embedment plan and our foundation. And we're looking at structural. Okay, so there we go. So there's our structural drawings. We're going to start with our embedment, with our foundation, and our embedment. So I'm going to continue with these plates and put them all in and dimension them out because they have to be dimensioned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. And everybody, next time, see you. Bye.